I made it, girl.
You say you famous?
I was like, put some respect on my I was like, yeah, show you. And then she was like, that's somebody's YouTube. I was like, still.
Yeah.
Still in it.
Yeah, you was in it. Facts. What's up, guys? It's your boy Russ again, back with another one. I'm here at One Stop Tire Center again. We getting tires put on B right here. He just rolled them in. I went with some cheaper tires on this time because I didn't want to put the same ones I put on Raven because it costs too much. You want to pull it in? Yeah, the ones that I put on Raven was extremely expensive. These was only like $1,000, I think. But they Firestone, what is it? Indy 500, no, Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. These are tires right here. Of course, I got the 275 3520 in the front, and then I got 305 3520 in the rear. So let's see how these do. Like I said, I just got a cheaper tire. These were about $1,000 or less, and you know, the ones I put on the Hellcat were about $1,500. So we gonna see, man. You ready to put them on? Got B right here looking all good. Woo. That B5 blue hit different. Still some good tread in here. But you know, gotta get new tires. I slid out, turning the corner at like 25 miles an hour. The rear end slid out. So we're just trying to see how these tires gonna do, and who knows, I might like them, might get them again in the future, who knows. But yeah, once again, here they are right here. Got a good tread pattern on it. Big boy 305s down the bottom. I need to wash that car, guys. It's horrible. This car is extremely, extremely dirty. You see, you haven't seen one in this area, B5 blue. You thought it was a wrap. But y'all know this is stock paint. Sound good though. That's that Corsa Extreme. I still got the bad and bougie on there. As you guys see, I removed the tire stickers off of there because some of the tire stickers, the gluing fell off, so some of the pieces fell off. So I just went ahead and removed all the tire stickers. I had tire stickers on here, but I took them off.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You don't need them anyway.
Yeah, you're right. I thought about getting them again, but I don't know. But getting something else. Obviously, I'm not going to.
You're going to take them off anyways on the first burnout.
I don't do burnouts, man. Tires cost too much. Tires cost too much. I only did it for my intro. That was it. I don't do burnouts, man. I leave that for the people with money, man. I'm broke.
What you just get? A Durango RT?
Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you, man. It's sick, man. It's white with the red interior. Yeah, that thing's clean. It got all the options that you can have on it except for the TVs and the headrest. That's it. But it got the sunroof, the, you know, the front collision assist, the thing where you can, it keeps the car a certain distance from the car in front of you. It got all that on there. Heated, cool seats, everything. But yeah, I know people like, why he get rid of the Hellcat? Yeah? Yeah. I ain't even post that vlog yet.
Oh, you haven't?
With me going to the dealership, no. I got it, I'm gonna post it. It's probably gonna be up. I still got like 2 more. I think I got like one vlog to post, and then that one, and then the one when I got the tents, and then it'll probably be this one, and then going on and on. Oh shoot, I gotta get the wheel lock, hold on. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna get something crazy. I don't want to say it because I don't want nobody to know yet. But
Come on, man, spill the tea,
just
man.
I tell you off camera. I tell you off camera what I'm gonna get. But I'm coming back, and when I come back, I'm coming back with a vengeance. Look how dirty this wheel is. Woo.
Back, though.
Huh?
I ain't come back.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta get these fixed, guys. Remember that my DRLs, they broke. And my fogs. Still haven't got it replaced because I'm terrible and I'm lazy. So I gotta get all that replaced. I might just do the lights and that's it, because we may have a surprise with this car. People ain't gonna believe what I'm about to do, but yeah, stay tuned for that one. But yeah, we about to get this done. Ready to be clean bad. Look like I need some new pads. That's extremely dirty.
So for that one,
Firestones. 05 35 20.
let me know in the back. Maybe coming in.
This car need a washing bad. Yeah, I gotta get this thing washed today. Like ASAP. I curved one of my wheels. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's not good. All right, guys, so they got everything done with the tires. Now we are up at GR Automotive. You already know, gotta get an alignment done. On B, she's right there. After this alignment, I'm gonna take it to get it washed. Like I said, they swapped the tires out. Let me get my phone. Swap the tires out. Now we get ready to get this quick alignment done. And she is well due for a bath. Look at my wheels, they're brown. Guys, I punched it a little bit playing around on these tires. And you get what you pay for. These tires are absolute trash. But there's a reason why I went with this tire and not, you know, buying some Nittos like I normally do on all of my cars. I'm just gonna rock these for a little bit. You'll understand why soon enough. But yeah, they're gonna get an alignment done on her, and then I am going to get the car washed. So stay tuned. They should be getting me in next. They got a bunch of cars out here that got worked on, getting worked on, whatever. But they should be getting me in here next, so I can get that alignment done. This is the new one. Yeah, so we good to go. About to go see if I can get this thing washed real quick. And then it's back in the house for me. Time to chill. I gotta go to work tomorrow.